This is our fourth lesson in solfeggio ear training, and we're going to work out of the Donhauser text today, and I'm going to be looking at page 2. And I'm going to give you a couple of exercises. We're looking at the major second and the minor second. So the major second is what you hear as the first two notes of any major scale. Do, re, do, re. As a matter of fact, there's another major second that follows the whole step as we discussed last time. Re, mi, do, re, mi. So we have a combination of whole steps, and then we have half steps. Mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa. And that minor second is the closest interval that we can sing and play in Western, traditional Western music. So let's practice minor seconds with a chromatic scale. Do, do, re, mi, fa, fa, sol, la, si, do. And you should play on the piano each of the 12 notes in your comfort area, vocal comfort area, and sing the tone and then test yourself to make sure that you got it. And then when you have done that this week, you should play your do to orient yourself and see if you can get through the whole 12 steps and then test yourself at the end to see if you arrived at the correct pitch. So here's our do. We're going to go do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. There we were right on. So that's good. So practice that. And I would practice singing the major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. And then do it without the piano. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So we're slowly doing, relying on our inner ear development of our inner ear pitch and not just the keyboard. Okay, so all 12 tones can be used to start a new scale. So you've heard So let's do an exercise with the piano where we begin using whole steps and half steps, major seconds and minor seconds. So a minor second is a half step, major second's a whole step, as a reminder. And let's do an exercise where we begin we build a first 5 notes of a scale on each note. So here, for example, do, re, mi, fa, sol, do, re, mi, fa, sol. See, I'm testing myself. And then do, re, mi, fa, sol. There we go. And see if you can stay on pitch. Now let's go up to D flat, re. Re, mi, fa, sol, la. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Now we'll go up to D natural. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Mi flat, E flat. Mi, fa, sol, la, si, la, sol, fa, mi. And E natural. Mi, fa, sol, la, si, la, sol, fa, mi. F natural. Fa, sol, la, si, do, si, la, sol, fa. G flat. Sol, la, si, do, si, la, sol. Then test yourself. Now I have to drop down an octave. Sol, la, si, do, si, la, sol. And A flat, la, si, do, re, do, si, la. You can even let the pitch resonate in the back. La, si, do, re, do, si, la. Si, do, I'm on B flat, si, do, re, do, si, and B major, B natural. Si, do, re, do, si. Yeah, that's it. I would work on exercise 4 on page 2, and this is practicing whole steps and half steps together. And yeah, you know how to do it. Set your metronome, and on the clicker, I would say 60 is a good place to be at. Put your metronome on. 1, conduct, 3, 4, do, that was off pitch, do, re, and take all the repeats, so you repeat that 4 times, then you do the rest and play the do to keep your ear oriented for what comes next. So that's exercise number 4 on your Donhauser, and that's going to get you into the major and the minor seconds, and that should be really good ear training for the week. Enjoy doing your solfeggio work.